Hi everyone, I'm back, and in the last video I had my repair stuff coming from Victorinox here in the US. This time, finally, back from Switzerland. So I got my package. This should be, it's either a salesman or an 84 millimeter climber. I honestly don't remember what. It was 84 millimeter, 3 layers with scissors. See what we got here. And got their dusty package here. So, any, all right, no info bits in there. All right, see what we got here. So I sent this back to Victorinox US back in middle of March. So this is beginning of July. So it's taking this long to get it back. We got, so it went all the way to Switzerland. Oh, it came all the way back, and Victorinox US sent it back to me. So we got openers that were obviously messed up. And it comes in a Victorinox box here. Let's open that up. And we have this guy here. So it has a brand new bail. And I don't know. I guess they didn't repair the scales. They just kind of polished them up. So interesting. All right, so it is a salesman. We got our file on there. Looks like all the tools are also super polished. So when I sent this in, it did not have a bail on it because the bail was lost. It's like the blade got polished, but they left the etching that was on there. There it is. Mont Blanc Geneva. So that was awfully nice touch. You can actually see the polished line where they avoided everything. Hmm. Also weird seeing the bushing pivot area there through the scales, so they might have taken off a bit of the scales to polish them out. So we got a small clip blade. We got new openers. What's this? So this does not have the patent information like this opener has on here. Right, I think it did. Yeah, so this was one of the earlier ones with patent information. So it doesn't have I guess patent tang stamp really would be what it's called. So this doesn't have that there. And finally, scissors. Paired, looking all nice. So that is the salesman. This is what it looks like coming back from Switzerland for repair over there compared to what you would see at the US facility. So I honestly think it was because of the bail. They didn't feel comfortable doing that there, and they sent it over there to get a brand new bail put on. So, hey, pretty exciting. So, so yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys have a great day. I think I'm going to put this in my pocket and carry it around this weekend. So, have a good day, and see y'all the next time. Bye bye.